Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome back. Today we are going to assemble a mantle and decorate it for Christmas. Not to worry, if you do not have a mantle at home, Free Spirit Marketplace has you covered because I'm literally going to unbox a mantle, put it here, and then use our limited edition mantle box and decorate it step by step just for you guys. So get cozy from your home as I have you in mind, and we are going to decorate this Christmas mantle together. Everything that you see today is in our limited edition mantle box. I'm not doing an unboxing with you because I just wanted to save on our time together, you guys, because of all the details that are going into the mantle. But everything you see, minus the mantle, although you can purchase that for yourself too, everything you see is going to be in our limited edition mantle box this year. This is something new we're doing at Free Spirit Bundle. For those friends that are new here, my name is Victoria and I am an interior designer for a living. I also have a Free Spirit Bundle subscription box. It's a home decor box. It's so yummy and fun. I have amazing subscribers and I'm grateful that you guys come back every single week. We also have a design company, and my husband and I do that together, as well as Free Spirit Marketplace, which helps you decorate your house. Everything you need. I'm happy you're here. Grab your favorite cocktail or cozy Christmas drink. Get comfy from your home as we have you into ours as we decorate the Christmas mantle together. I was so excited when I realized I could put mantles on my website for you guys. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And here's the thing, you guys. The reason why I'm not decorating my own mantle, we will be doing that as we decorate for Christmas. But today it's all about the mantle box. And so I just wanted to be able to have more opportunity for you guys. And I wanted to be able to walk through step by step how to actually do it. So you can hang it on the wall. So see, there's D-rings on the back. So easy. And if you're not sure how to hang something like that, Scott and I have done videos for you guys before where we showed you guys how to hang things like so. These are your legs. Okay, we're getting there. Guys, that was so easy. We can do it, ladies. Yay. It comes with all the tools you need and it's super light and I'm really excited about this. So remember, this does not come in your mantle box, but there are multiple mantles to choose from for your own home. This is something you can leave out all year. You can fill the bottom with wood for the cozy winter or fill it with beautiful candles, the LED candles, of course. We don't want to start any fires. But I'm really excited to now, we're gonna move on and I'm gonna show you everything that comes in your mantle box. We're just gonna kind of pull the items out and decorate with them. So just know, if it is hanging from the face of this, it is coming in the limited edition Free Spirit Bundle mantle garland box. The quantities are limited, so the price is very fair. And of course you have this video tutorial that you can go back to so that you too can be successful in your home at hanging the beautiful garland on the mantle. Let's get started. Before we get started, I wanted to show you, I got these snippers, some zip ties, and a variety pack of eye hooks because these come in so handy during the holiday. So I'll be sure to link these. They're all from Amazon. And those are the tools, just those three things that I'm gonna use today to do this. Here's what comes. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous greenery. You get not one 6 foot, two 6 foot, three 6 foot garland in your box. And this is where we're gonna start with the base.
Let's start with our eye hooks. I'm going to put one on the end, one in the middle. It should go in pretty easy. If it doesn't, you can always use a screw and drill it first, and then it will definitely go in easy for you. I'm using the first 6 foot. You can see I left a little hanging on the end. Then I'm going to take another one and start it in the middle so that I can drape it to the floor. Now, if you're a person of balance, it's okay. You can definitely make this completely equal. But I love hanging the right side longer than the left. I'm just going to go through and fluff and then figure out where I want to put the third garland before we actually put it on together. And you put the zip tie right through the eye hook and around the garland and close it tight because then it will not go anywhere, I promise. I'm actually clipping the ends off because I don't love that you can see the hook. And now I'm I'm gonna go in with one more eye hook. That way we can anchor that third garland. You can see I just kind of tucked the beginning of the garland all the way to the left. You just clip the zip tie off, and then I can zip tie it to the other eye hooks, or you can even hook it to the garland. I promise those eye hooks are so strong and you should not have any issues with this going anywhere. We have animals and teenagers, and my garlands stay every year. So yay for the garland being ready to move on to the next step.
All right, my friends, now that the greenery is on, it's in place, it's sturdy, we can start adding to it. And the first thing we're going to add are the clear lights that come with your box.
I decided to start on the left side because I don't want any of the string to hang out. So I'm putting the end of the strand all the way to the left and zip tying and then clipping it off. Even though this strand is clear, I really don't like to see any wires. So I'm gonna twist and turn all around the greenery, and then every now and then zip tie it to make sure that it's good and secure, and just keep wrapping around my greenery all the way until I get to the end. You have plenty that comes in your box. This one strand covers the whole garland, and then you can simply plug it into the wall or add an extension cord. I love that the wire is clear because it will help it not be very offensive. Wires drive me crazy, you guys. And look how pretty. Now that it's all lit up, the greenery, now we get to add some more beautiful detail.
Okay, my friends, you're doing so good. Be patient with yourself. That's the best advice I can give you. It takes time and lots of energy to do a designer garland. It's layer after layer after layer, and we don't want it to fall apart, which is why I'm zip tying everything. This is a beautiful gold glitter garland that we are going to move on to next, that comes in your box.
I'm starting on the left side again, and I was able to zip tie right into that eye hook. The wire on this glitter garland is bendable, so you'll be able to go in and out like you need to, and then at the other end, I'm zip tying and clipping off. So this one, it's so lightweight that you really only need to zip tie each end and then just have fun intermixing it. I just love this garland on this mantle. So, so beautiful.
I love the little sparkle that adds. Now we're adding more beautiful sparkle with another garland. Mercury glass, but it's kind of vintagey. So beautiful. You get 2 sets of these. So let's get hanging.
Just like before, we're gonna start all the way to the left, and I wanted to hang the garland all the way down the greenery. Then at the top, I'm gonna zip tie it, but just to the greenery. I didn't need to go through the eye hook, and it will be plenty sturdy. I would encourage you to keep your items in the box as long as you can, because it is mercury glass. If it hits the floor, it's going to shatter. And then I'm gonna take the last one because I want this to hang all the way down the side, and you might even have a little extra to play around with.
You guys, I love how this is turning out. So it's really fun to just create something beautiful with my friends. I hope you guys are loving it. So these are the last pieces that come in your box. I just wanted to show you, and then we will assemble 10 yards of this velvet ribbon. So you will have extra. You're welcome. You can use that for gifts. Mercury stars, so beautiful. Ah! On one side, because of this side being heavier and weightier, and then one on the other side. Of course, my friends who are very symmetrical, very type A, if you want to do this perfectly symmetrical, by all means you can do that. You have 3 garlands to play with. So if you're one that's like, well, I don't want to have a really heavy left side of my mantle, well then make it all super balanced. You can totally do that. But this is just the vision I had with you, so I hope you're inspired. Let's finish up.
You also get the silk ribbon in your mantle box, and we are going to play around with the height. Again, this is yours, so create what you love, but you simply go through each ornament and then I tie a knot on the end. And I'm trying to see before I actually hang them what the height is, and then I'm cutting the ribbon identical so that they are the same side on each side. As you can see, I just put the ends together and tied a knot. Sorry that my nails are so terrible. And then you just string the silk ribbon through the end. Again, you'll have plenty extra to wrap your presents. And each side is gonna hang the same because I measured the ribbon. Then I'm gonna play around to see what height I want the other ornaments to be. and cut the ribbon accordingly. And again, I'm cutting 2 so that it can be the same on each side. I'm going to take all 3, put them through a zip tie, put them right through the eye hook, and voila, we got it. And now we can play around with our velvet ribbon. You can of course tie a real bow. I am just kind of making a pretend bow and hanging it in there. I am not a bow expert, but I did see what I liked best, and I am just going to tie a regular bow. So I wrap the velvet ribbon around, and I want to have a few extra lengthy pieces, and then I'm going to cut this little tail at the end. Then all you have to do is tie it like your shoe. I'm literally just pulling the ribbon around that grouping of ribbons and putting it in a regular bow, you guys. And then you can just kind of mess around with it until you like the way it looks. But I promise you have so much ribbon, you could even choose to pull the ribbon through your garland. 10 yards is going to go a long way. But I like the simplicity of this. Please be creative and do your own thing. I just love how the ornaments look flanking the mantle. So, so pretty. Let's start on the other side. So again, because we already cut our ribbon, we know that they're going to be the same length, and I chose to hang that 4th ornament, the longest one. So you put all the ribbons through the zip tie, you go up through the eye hook, then you're going to wrap and tie a bow just like you would your shoe, or again, just have fun playing around with the ribbon. Love, love, love it. The ends, I always like to make that little, I don't even know what you call it, but you just fold the ribbon in and cut vertically upwards, and that's how you'll get that finished edge.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out today. I hope that you love this limited edition Free Spirit Bundle mantle box with layers of greenery and beautiful Mercury glass and glitter and ribbon and ornaments and all the beautiful things. Have fun styling it in your own way at your home. Be sure to head over to freespiritbundle.com because there is a limited quantity with this limited edition box. You guys are the best. I hope that you have so much fun decorating for Christmas. Be sure to come back every single week because we are going to continue to decorate together. And next week, we're going to do Christmas in the kitchen. And don't forget, if you need a mantle for your home, for your bedroom, for your living room, for your apartment dining room. I mean, you guys, these are super affordable. You saw how easy it was to assemble it. You can find those over at Free Spirit Marketplace, and there's several to choose from. Have a great week.